Jamba baja bil ke awe ka
no ma chot bilio
mag bila
ai chang wong bilio
mag
wa da jo de bie
mag
da de dia de cho le bie
mag
wa na nya bai kwa yo le bie
yang ya we kang du
chot bilio
ai watamam bila
ai chang wong bilio
don na nong dang lu
ma chot bilio
wo je penye dang go lu
will be young ping music I will be starting in few minutes. Now, if you can hear me well and the music as well. Share this with some of your friends and then we can continue from there. Hello, my name is Ajak Dengchenko, and I will have to first excuse those who don't know how to speak Dinka, and be a bit of explanation about Kangam. I will be speaking in Dinka and Arabic Juba. So, but 90% of my message is going to be in Dinka. And to give you a reason why I'm speaking in Dinka is because majority my message is going to parents, and not most of them that speak English, but some of them are on Facebook here, so they are able to get the message that I'm trying to pass across, or the message that I want to communicate out. So I will be, again, the only position that I'm speaking in now is my personal capacity as a father, not as a journalist or employee of my organization. So any information that you will take out of here is only personal, and the intention is only that it is going to be used for educational purposes. Another thing, there are some information that are going to come based on previous experience, and I will be making proper references to those to the data that I'm able to talk about, and don't take anything as an expertise advice, because I have to be categorically clear on that. But I will approach things on cultural. Using a cultural perspective to be able to handle the situation that I'm trying to talk about. And so I'm sorry to those who may not be getting my message later. I will be speaking in Dinka, a mix of Arabic Juba, because the message is only to parents in Australia and those who will be able to see them. If they can take the message as relevant, then that will be people in other Western countries like Canada and the United States. But this message is intended for parents in Australia. And so that's what I just want to pass around, that I will be speaking in Dinka, only my capacity as a parent, not as a journalist. So we cha ke le we koi be ping jamban jamana jan din chang ko ku ban jam tin jamban jam kar ba luel tong jeng, because sometimes I think ke ai ku nge adir ping ku ngo kam lui ka mix ken lon radio so ngade professional job keti ku ke company. So na jam by which you can see my home. A jam by then don't take it. And jam can a meet, and jam can a will and meet, and jam can a member of the community. Message there is not to be attributed to my company. I think in a disclaimer can tank when ke beping. Jan chika be mix up this was reported. Now don't quote that. Then you lek lewek en ka yan jam ko edi chalo radio we ka radio cha kalo when kene my view of things can ye ran to ko won to one way getene. So yen ke ban jam tin we ba kan ben du ke loy ke share we ko because nan ka ba ke ja iran won to ya ke in be anan ke ya cholo le ko information always a ran ben na lo la jama le ke yin kunora ku ye ka ni ke wonter ka message che ke du du pioria ga go chan ja kinyi cha belwel du pioria ga go chan yong yen jam kinyi ku wonter ku ke kinyi ku. I'm sorry then, but the message is intended to koi win ke to, because the chiran ben ye lengi na ran an kedake wana ran win ekwen ayo ke yo So cái ban jam tin we koi ko e pir emit ko pida. Pir mit ko pida. Bana touching a lot of things. Aban ke du abaja. Aban ke dia baja. Aban ke da baja. Aban ke remit abajak. Ku kaban jam ya. Ne ke chol chi ko je pie ku chi ko je wer. Kuna cha wer we ko ke yen we e wer yok. In ka ya ne din ne te de cha kin ko ju kin ko ping. Tong padang ka ruweng in particular. Alwele pan riek tiel ku pan riek achien. Ara cha long wen pan riek tong. Nungu na yup ku nim ka tong. Ka tong e jam e chen ke chen di lwel tin. Na yup ku nim ka tong e jam e. Ku na riek ba riek tiel. Ke yen pan ha che abai. Na riek ba riek achien. Ke pan ha che abai. Ba jal duk pin ku ba jal lo jam e jwe cha le lue ki share bi ko gyuk na lai. I will not be. So this video is intended only for educational purposes. Ku ke cha lwel na ya lwe ku la na ye man met. Toke du ye. Chaka du dit. Na cha tem ku chika ku run nga ya te dia ko ke ka chin gelwe la ko lang anang diar ke na ka lakini in grandmaya in grandmaya. So by a grandmaya which mean you need to be an asset to your family. Ba ko kun nungu ka loro pan to wo tinatena angor ka ken go gol do ra bu angor ka ken gol. So ka go loro pan Australia tena watch ya ge ya chu dai loy lekin de chol ti te liu pinam de chol ti liu pinam ke ye ke kanating ke chluel wara ko len ke ya ti a chluel ke na braj run ke la ke in pali pio pingu ping kulwe ku tinga ki yen yele kina ka braj anaran tung ko win mine bayan pan Australian ke Facebook live ke ra golan tok tereter kunyalin ya cha yen that way of saying things okay ngod way and you can review that video say so an bedin ya do ku bujala wa jam
We are Dinka.
get content. Now I'm going to
ane chola ginko ane chola ginko ane chola ginko chien angwen pari tong mani kene pajam pari tiel angwen pari tong mani kene pajam pari ga chien angwen pari tong mani kene pajam ja kang mel pada lunga jena wan ja kang mel gunda lunga jena wan lunga yode jamang kudat dia tu jamu kudu abai mananga kudu kaman kokin riad dia tu jamu kudu abai mananga kudu kaman kokin riad dia tu jamu kudu abai mananga kudu kaman kokin riad
yen we cha king mot ana jan ding chen ko ku rane pe ben and jam on personal note ka ban ke jam tene ka lwel ke tena very educational messages because ke chol chiang ku che ko rote lek ne ke won loirat ke yen pi e ko nwan tena koy win an biro kan lwe la mat because pire pane ne nyindia ka lwe yen yera lwe ke ye loy ane bo pan Australia 2006 paper because an ka kar lwe ten ku bene be an pan Australia 2006 kan irande ane ke bo visa e chol visa refugee ane bo ke chol family visa mana to bene be ane ke chol family visa anan conditions nye ke tinang Department of Immigration kui ko kok era ane bo visa ka lebe kanyi ku ken ban jam tinale ke chol character test man yene chitol ne yemen ke yene teme visa ke ko gui ko pane University Sudan teme ke ko ku jola kermit ai ka pe ka ba ka ja ku tunga ka twen ban kan jam tin we ko e cha kan we lan video chan kan jam on twen ku la we ku diar kuror pani ne lut ne cha ngar ku ye dong no ma pana chene pira pyat ki chene pira pyat ke ayeni la lelut kuna la ke yi jalin meno abara ni chol lwala re ding African World Book about quarter to 2013 cha chal radio kan chi kon chine minister Susan Lee chen ben kulwele ke chol family day care yena nang ke chira woitin goya chal ko chal managers ke family day care kula baga dakene kwan ne an chikun ken bu pol be diar pol be ko chila tin be ko pol ke chi ke be loy kra chala ran cha bi yor elwal re chi ding kula lwal yin to ke ne ran to ko win to ke in riyo ke chol ke loy bar ko ko da yong kor bi nye kene ne koy win koy to ke koy ni op te bene ke lu tin gana kuma lo ale were ci bilwel radio yi ku lo wo koy ko ba ko ta man ku ba gumerun ke tier ku di ben araj yen irane pio palpin kiem ke tin to ke yen ku pele ke di randeti ngo ke di randeti e ke pia do ye belwa do mia wedi a chaba mara wede chuketen ki yen wo ki chir ken lo ne be ko le ku le yen an ci wer be mare chu ku le we ko ko a chin ti yin ke ran to ke nang ka ka ran e ki ki ja me ne nyen computers ran ni ke cho le lung ben a chin ti yin jam ku le yen anan ki nye a weren akuma yi kal nyen ke ti ni la ku ke ti na lo ko do le riok cha ben lo ba pi u du ku cha ben pa na ko ji pi ku cha kriye ben ting ben ke yen kamera da ka chi wo ji chare ku kana wa kamera ba le ba ko ku tung bin tom ben ye chanin e ka chi kamera chi bela le ku le ra ne chi ni na ger che ri ge ra ba pol in be dom ku bi la ba ben ba license do ben po nya be nya tin na le jwa ke ga ke in cha ka bun ke ye ni belo lung nom e yi ke chi la ra tan a chan be jam ku le we ko ya ko yi tiel pe dro pa no ko chi pie ye ne lung ra ge pe tuk pa no ko chi pie ye ne lung ra ge ran ye kwa ni ke ye chwer ye what on a level ka kuma i dia pa no Australia what in a federal system ku federal system ayene lung council awarot pay lung state awarot pay lung federal awarot pay within those governments kayena nang department within them ku department kayena policies ay warban korba pirilo naten ci korba pirilo akor ba yi chotie ku yinom ku create da dupan ba ya ping ago pira pet ne ngo chi be yaran mi ala dong ke bin gum ku ke bin gum ke pa anto wotin ga chiran bi ko that was wele ke chakalwel teron kwan bo kan tore ya achu tingwa chekere ke chi wo jamtin from 2013 golwo galen radio ber Facebook ben watch love Facebook we pointed this thing out. The funny thing is, bank communities in South Sudanese ban, akachana buna cha confronted. Acha belwere na abuna la longa kanisa ikulwere na woken china leke begwa la bunin merkoku. Because in chilba longa ke chol krajman ke kray loira man namia kul ke in bijam. Ke in chilba longa ke bekaye. Ke yani jam ka chirka ka panto intinetena pan ko chipi achen ke gedu ke chu jalwe la ka jala ke dia acha ka untan tinaman tin ke unom twen ku le jar wa tang duwe non dunia ba tem wo de ku ache gedu non to char to ache gedu pinya che gedu e non ba ja ka yitem lekin no pinyetene na mai nom ke in be ku ma pandu to so ka kar ba le ka etung ka twen kan ka ba taw ke chol pingo wel apiet ago pira piet pana ka waje pana ir na nya yen ka kui a chan wer ban betaw ko la we diar ko werur ko yal ka anan ke yo bor chol jadu go kron e jadu ki to le runa SPLA ayene wer ki radio SPLA lanu radio SPLA on a recorded ku bela ku benang nin lo ku jal chal na mi ki jala chal ke yen ran che ping radio ku jol ben cha ka benang pe ke dia ku wer ku jol lwel na le lwel to benela lwel tin mi after 3 months ku wer ya wer jadid but actually the word has been there for long. In the Western world things change within 24 hours or more or less than that. Ayen dok na ba pira pet dok jadu go ker bi pa na kawaja. Dok bi pa na air. Dok bi pa na Australia. Na look dara war a chaka kuma ba tin take example centerling alo bi don wo ka ya wanden ku kumi na chaka la cham na ken ka la cham ka wu ka le du ka chien na chaka la cham ka ko ara ke ma na to ba chul. So it is very important that people pay attention to what is changing. In years to come, run ke chilo tiang kan to radio. Social workers ato aya ke alo ba ke chol. Ko one thing kar ba kan banai light kan lo ko to Australia. Ko je kaga to ne take example and ran to go benefit mantin. When on community leaders, when on social workers, when on settlement workers, when on lawyers, pan Australia kular kulura an ke interview. Bara ke la interview pir pan Australia ku taw ni internet a chi ko ke 100 de keeping pian ka pe lawyer jam to ngien ke mani ma ker ma yang ria ide nga dut or social workers ke mane I remember William Bola Benden bol de nga bur na run 2014 ka lawyer na interview mi lui drop out school ye ko ke de la ping na taw internet je ran ping ko dora ke nya che to den an asset to your community ba ka be ko chiri ka ko taw interview internet chala ka ko ke yi bo ta ka la ye ping ko ke 100 out of over 20,000 Australia lekin lor ku luma ko ne le ka lor ku luma tan we ka tan ku ye taw internet ke within the next 2 hours ka chi 1,000 people are keeping 1,000 people are keeping na jale tiro da lo ku lo okay yong en ko ke den anang ke na ke man ke ban man tin ke changes long ke Department of Immigration a chi wo ke jam kai ki war a department on na ber ku ye lo ku dolon bi task force integrity man yen mai ka juare family daycare wala ku kar secretary man yen ye secretary task force integrity in Canberra ke yen ye binde ke yen ye athok the federal police kulu ala ke chol task force integrity ye kengo interview dia jeton ba jere ko da golwel kulu le yen kilo kutene a welfare protocol lu investigate na no ran ni ku ci go yo ku ci lo ndol ku ci tinga na ngi ro wo ku le tang department ku le ko lo rada ko kwan kor koñ ke rana be koñ lekina ki lo ko ko anya bujala yo wo ti ke lo ko anya bujala yo wo ka bu mai ka blo mo chakale as a secretary of task force integrity na Iran ku chen task force integrity go ben yer ko task force integrity akor wo chok wo war ka family daycare a department of human services ku department of education ku department federal department veteran affairs ku create ban achal ben le ko ko kichi ben ke ko ngerot area na ber ke chol data mashing ber ban ko information pan ka waja pan pet man ne we ka chatting department ka pan Australia one of the greatest country you will ever get. They put information out for you to prepare yourself. We have been broadcasting all these kakayu ka larbi na ber ke chol data mashing ban on be minister chibijal go ben ko loindul diar achi department lol ko lala we are on Facebook too. What of Facebook go ben ko chulo we diar na ni cheni in mukan tin blue ya kan centerling ina single ku yin di do na mo ku mo che ni nu eni ru nin ke dia ke yen ting dol bi ro kon ting dol bi ro kon be na kuma yin chi mana de ran di tin mi do ne yen ato na ba lo indul ku bar lo wel chi mana de ke a chamu concession yen wato ku yen che ngonde pe kwa chin mi kok di du ke yin bu kon lekin ala kuma yo mo jate yor kan yin ku kala chat ku Facebook a darling ku mama darling ku yinin mu kan mangunga ku mo jalui ke yen imbelo problem because ke yen ku le ko ke yin ki lo problem ke data matching ke lo mi ana lo ni dul ku yen mo che lo indul a address de gwa nyai bai address the center linga che nyai bai ku ka kin address medicare kin nyai ku ka kin address taxation kin nyai apia che etiana do kende etiana do chenum chuo ga ngade kwa che yolwan na le taxation le loimia ke details because yen wo ye ke do ting Dubai rebe de ke do ting Dubai ke wo ga mithe a che ben te kin taxation te kin in loy ku yen address lo in taxation tin ke address dun cha yen te ran tax return agent te de ke to bai ya ke le bi ben ya la wo je de man na ber ke chol my gap berben my gap ke chol yang ada ke lo ke UN am live yang ran ne che ke na ngade bunta so I hope can an intro ya ke tier ke ba ngane
ane chola ginko ane chola ginko ane chola ginko
yen na ber ke chol my gap berben my government website akuma de Australia etene ka loya akuma de Australia luira an ben lu move to and be example of golom anto my gap kutien my gap website yen lu tineke na era anun to ki nang that ka bi department ke dia centraling department ATO ku Medicare apiat iten yewo iten on to ben kan rucha na lo data do le into one database ka kilo one database address do date of birth telephone do ku ngoben all these are joined ku yen through my gap in be other department abaka jala yo acha lewe inga epinga now our robot that le ben yen computer yen wo ka yen ka tinga nan ke yenga ci dom wo gi ku yenga kene dom wo gi I don't think non ko gi ping na ber ku on the family day care ci le ko ku le wek akuma ki akuma cha family day care na ngin yen family day care ci business jadid is a business there ana pa le pio pin ku lo ku du ku lo ka yin educator ku kwantira kuma ci ko yin pira pet in le bayalu ita de le to jopo $46,000 a year inji pandu lo ina ngebiendu ku jala ko gunja ko lo ke yeni nang lon pet bar ku muk mit karan Lakini nchi witao. I have done a lot of this work kwa chiko ko ping na lo ko chatting is to siasa and I can send all of them. Na lo achal le ko kulele yen win ya kuma yikwan a3 point by the 2013 $3.93 per hour. Na lo taw $10. Kalwele yen bin man randamu. Kulota $10 kama natu $7 ka $6 yene chala diete nom chanbelo atier yena bela tol ka wundu from your pocket abela tol pro take example an chimi chacha ka gamra anto we be kala mu kuran te luyen charge $10 ke biya kuma la yene ne klon tero ne to an 3.93 lekin $6 ababan bay jama mana mete mana tu na lo pay le to ke mi me ne chimu ke te de chiwu chi da liv ke diak la center lim ku chwer ngade pin ler ku chwer lim tok pin kwa liv ke ro te na ba ko tang mana met tang department e tio ku be jange la chok pin ke wu ka ben aye ke consider de ke wu cha ka loy yen ke ku yen ko ti ku le ye na cha nang this difficulty ke yen loy wore ku print it out ku korti ti e bi kon ke kar ba lo ko how much our people in no information ke ku ten na cha la ben issue mit I hope ping bang ke community bang ke community ku pinga ba to talk etin I have to thanks koi nye ke kutung pet ring ma yara cha leche jam chen jam marakol ring ma yara cha leche jam chen jam marakol because ke toke ke lo rat te dite watch ruin wela chu wel yech yine kray luira dina ye jai a lo ko yelo la mi ta ria ya chi riet a ria ya chi kwem a chin gadan chirgan a lo la mi ta ka ken a chin ki chirgan 2000 and na penka ko kulwar jara lo 2016 pa kon ya ko pinga lo rote ne pa kon bi mi birio ka to pan no meten yen ke ne tene just a 2-minute walking distance e go an live 2015 kula la ko mi ka re tu le jene pa nga ngi tu e pa nga yi kan to tine go 2012 yen na ngi tul ai na chi deng tuen ka lo yin bo na a kul to ka chan live lo ko me terwan ku di to ten a cha ga be kwen I am the uncle, what do you want? Well, I'm very concerned. You wait to na good that here to walk. Well, uncle, we are okay. You can go home. Well, no, I'm not going. Well, no go. We will be fine. Well, alive. Kokwa. You can have a neighbor bay. Eto cooking. Now, Berku, loku. I remember one man, Arwen Ding Arwen Ball. Watch a lot of the Jazz BP, Denman Road Co. Go with you, Miss Getterogudi. Miss Getterogudi, I can Miss Gallo in the Bomid Ditch. Boko Kumka Moyendia Yaneta Sunyan. Could yell Nirkan one? I mean, Quam? Yan Nirkan one Jacalo in the Lachang a lot. Nangi jo ajal chips a jacket dwen go ben ku gan man ayen lul go la man re mi ka a lum ka le kunyir ka ben ur ku te ya dong bi rote ya dong ko dir ko jeke an alwel ken ko na ka ro yo go ben ku la an bila tan ke ka ul aba kala join go ma go ya lul go le kapiat ku jala yan wan bi ku jala o na jala ku jala ya chal ke nyir ka bi yodanum chu ya ka ne ken go lo indol ku chal ngade go yan chol ku le lo rian lui kwan blo rian di kwan blo lai bale bank communities ko le ke kai ko ke tota ne teten ai jong kwal mayom ku yi bainter kon mano a chi tembi patrol bi aloy na lo ku dom ko ku le me na chu yuten watch me na chu yuten watch me na chu yuten kaman me da uk ye men ye ya ka latin ye men ye ya ka latin okay man chen me du latin man chen me du latin ye men ngabi chopin na jole le ben war wo ko krimi de chira bo golwala we South Sudanese every year you react where you react to will on to wunti ne chole go nyane to Noble Park wer chi ke ben andru be kan bilwelo ne ko bi chol ruin or ko chol tax go ko ran ben TV chok ko jaring TV chok ko chan bu ko la jam we need to speak we need to react to this. I was among those who wanted to react. Now on jale la piot tienke kabot anange che kabot a ko tena nange camera cannot turn kabot anange bo. I was trained in 2007. A very nice program. A program called Parenting Across Cultures. Parenting Across Cultures. That is to identify a key argument in that is how do you bring up children? Mi teke dis ke no kwet ko pe kanake bono kwet ko ke baka be nyali in a Western country. A case study was an African children. How do you bring up an African child in America, in Canada, and in Australia? I was a beneficiary of that program. May God bless Dr. Marilyn Steele, hired by the city of Greater Dandenong. Dandenong was home to over 3,000 South Sudanese by 2006-2007. Go city of Greater Dandenong, really, in order for us to make an influence now, akor kubu mitken bu ka pioj pianga bi we ka nyike chol pir pan Australia is a great country. What you can find in the east, from Equatorial community, Nuer community, in the east was majority Boer community, and we were taken for training. We were trained how to train our own communities. We were then graduated. The program were funded $4,250 for hiring the whole. I was tasked go and train 30 families in 12 weeks. We mean in a year. In a year, I can train almost 100 and something families. Well, okay, I took the responsibilities. I will take example in the east. Can you say, Baka? Yen we call the you call me Kamantina Korkubu Pui to Ben 1 min motin. So when they are going to be 10 years old, we know how to care. And we understand the Western cultures and what we can do. Agokumi komu. Young woman, you quite get it. I quite diak the day. I remember very well. I quite diak alabaka queen. In Jiang community. A key community in where ping go ben with they join me. Community Equatorial they join me. And anang two was Africans. What I was telling them is parenting issues that walk away African families. We are the first generation walk out ben panakawaja buki chon mungumut bujal tawani walk in kan mugumit. abira lwel non ke nyi mungu met belwel e wo anang wer cha ping ku ke ke ne adai lwel lwet ko kwa to lwet anan ke lwel war ba wo ke mugumit wo ke che mugumit. That's where the concept of it takes a village to bring up a child. Ti yen jeng man mu e kam ti ne met ler me de beru naro kuna ye kul nyet yen ke men amura de tok ajal abimida ka ken mu abo pol wuti abo pe ala ki to ken yen ti yin jala tinga yela yo ala me te na chiro jal no ku jol diaw ka lo che nga ke diaw chi yen man ka lo kini yeria de no ka jal die ti yen yelo kora ale na chilo ror akenge pale as people put it in ka benela ting na cheru na dich ke yen society start to care for him now na jola yiduk na yiduk ka lo dew chok ke wo kunyu were chu go gol e wo wer tinde jor na leru na tier ku na leru na tier e ka che manu nang ran a che man cha ben ting ye ler man lom ko ku dui le chi a wene tik na wo man na bi do bi jal pio a pio chi yit a pio chi yumen loy a lo ka nungu this kid abi violent abi pio cha ka benom abrio chi warike abrio chi randuye ku ka tum a lo ka dui ran chi yo. So this kid alone, because of fear of life, abijalo indul ku jora chef na chini alinda la lomi akela rier ke yena bako ka ba ben bule. This was the level of care. The kin ke pia jal toke yena amura na ban na yuke chare ke chini no ndunom chan baka yet ka dui na yuke ke ko ta chare je ka dui. Now it become everybody responsibility pianga pia taken nan koy ko to lwet na ye to war ba ya wo ke mi ko mula de ngale yi. It is totally different to the western way, and I'm going to come to the way western world work. Koy dia gen ke waren anukun in ke waren we ke pinga kun ne woni ti gor kun ne woni e jil because kun ne ke the only child woni rare ken koy ken le ki man dit man ka ye kin ametinye ye ajot alere pane den kulo ku jot ku bi ku yene go adir bai abagel galu ku ka go le yene ko nkoj ayine responsibilities when che kake e man na bi pira be jal threaten na bi pira be threaten na bi pira be threaten na good bra pio at a certain point a chin ruri en a cherot a chin kiden le bulwel ku le kana cha kor no ali upide no ali upide yene ke ku le na to waren wo min motin achinte munga ye wamin mu muko ke chi wa jal bentin pana kawaja ina ka yin mi ko yo man ti ina mi ko ka chen man da kin tiyo ka mana kuj be man chol mama ya ko go ton ko we ko di man ye ko ke de ma ran ka man chol mama ni dol because anu kun na cha bento about how many minutes away ku tieng mama ti ka cha la mama cha chorin ke le kim mi ju cha american chorin ken. Why? Because that was in ke the only attachment they have. Yen ka yen we ke ting man na ber mama du yo man ku le mama I love you ka le to ka le ngo chi yen de chi na jam ya or ben ba yo ku le in mama in ting tung di arun ni araret in cha kwan ku in cha mu ku in cha luoi you have done a lot to me to nga kawaja e ka ti chin ku le ngo man di china chin ge in pi to she will be worried na ye yi telephone ka le to man de now jala bay mi ko kitchen wo be pio jiten in that training and to below in the pio the first 30 families. Kubere second go and ben in a second batch. I train another 30 families. Now 207 K because of that program I was employed by Southeastern Region Migrant Resource Center. Go my role go ben extended and Apagan communities kujala Burundian communities kukoka chakala pio. And Chibilo Indul, Tang Danenong Police, Kujala, Danenong Police, it was a very great program. Now, la yara and Kidu Sukuli go Paul. Now, la Ben City Tan Tinem. Be we call what Tintin Kang Paloetin. Now, la Ben City Tower, Thin City Windham. 2012 Wachin Sudanese week in this city. It is the leading city now with Dinka speakers. According to census, the 2016 where Tanet alone is a home to 450 Dinka speakers. Waben kuloindul kula city council. City council Windham. Kanimen tukulu 2012. La kuleke kulele we koke city Windham webinang a big number of South Sudanese coming to your area. Few years to come. Ku program ya ranwa tani years ago. Program a violent prevention program. A cross-cultural training. This is teaching parents how to understand the impact of the positive impact a relationship then young year coin meet. Negative impact a relationship then young year yokang meet. Young concept of cultural rite of passage. Ku young lubaloy pano kawaja. Where do you develop a child-to-child relationship? Parent-to-parent relationship in order to have a successful family? This is the program. Leukuba Pandit, Chan Bakoto, city of Tanet Bakapio. It was funded again. They funded $7,000. Luiku Hayat. For me to train 30 families again. 30 families. Moikutik. 30 families moikutik ya bako chede rante datam. Kuna nga bi mitin. Kukoru ba piyo chete eba moi piyo kenetik. Bi kiye chole impa ki chengden kiye riyok tina menden bela bi ping. Achabe waraga achabe cha leer kanisa fuskre. Leer waraga warabi. Leer waraga sunshine. You can get it, 30 families. I think it's 30. I think how many families you been? 15. Go 15 go yoka moko piot. I trained them for 13 weeks. Now la graduated can Louis police invited. Police from Werribee, police from Dandenong, another from Puskray. Police because our team community they came. Aboku jalka program tingu jalka graduation jalka ting. If these programs are there for the South Sudanese communities, because South Sudanese communities are karot. These are some of the things that we need. Kaya korba lwele ke. Anang lwen korba chata tene kulula kawaja anang men tenang koch. Walk when you were young our pal jam in the community. Now take example chairman to walk. Now better a lot of our communities say, in tinka in a camera napping and can you. A cable like an angadi and totena corbala dom. So what people see a camera, not the brain that is able to help them. Kuke tear de nakalul baladom. Tear a cake. The loyalty and you wunumet. In Kennemal law, and you don't see a problem. Now, King Waman do law segenate. In Kiman one mula segenate. You don't see a problem. Kukorbala lawyer Kubala coin mading will, Kukorbala lawyer Kubala coin mading bore, Kukorbala lawyer Kubala coin, yin corbaichu bear a corbala loy, or yin corbaichu dor kirmayadit, Kenanga corbala loy. Yellow low, what do you have here? They are more worried of they are more worried of I don't have like kinsura de niar kuyonga kana acha tingwar chen Facebook chen tool ke kereler yen ka yen tiang na yo ran yaran ke chiran board ke diran board ke detama wo Facebook live yongu bi Facebook live la ria kina le Facebook live lare ke lo lo metene le bi la ria ku kar yong mitku. Let's come back to what is affecting jalku bene kalorot. man ti ne kulwara ne jamoni bola we machar family day care on yan jam 2013 kulwela ko tiet ke nyine ke na braj. I'm told now and ko ke kuma $600,000 anyake nan ko ke lo sejene anyake kunga agum kede yiku kana kilani ke ada kana kane ya etok de loiratia na loko ku jal ka benwar kremit go jam from 2000 on to nyale yoku longu nyale yoku ye ko mi ajede the way we go to churches and sometimes we don't know how the nyale give people nyale ko mi ajede. I wonder whether yabu ni go mi nyale ji pio na yemi nyale pio gwer kaka an ka ne lui pana ke ka kuma ku ka ba jwira cha kan jwira kolon nyale ku akoy na yabu ni ku jwir ka kor ko bidye ka du ko penya pe nyale ye mi jede nyale nyeri ye long ye mi jede ma jang je ma bala nyale ye mi jede nyale ye mi jede ka kuma ane bopa na chol Kenya 2009 1999 pe tiekro de 18 na pe tuk 2000 kan go loy panakim na le ko kulwele yen panakim ka kuma na yen ko to almost a day na chi to female wood e ka to male wood na chi to male wood ke yen na to pediatric rani chol Michael on boken on bo America ke los boys kin go jal ebulu ko lab tinge mit again pana kem ka kuma children ward again ke te diakro that was the largest again ke te diakro ku 2000 mit ke board ku te di jaketa ku mit ke board ku te di ta merken ku ko bin biti de ke mon ya ke tinge lo ke nan ke chiran 400 ku doctor Aben once even twice a day in the morning kuna late cases dysentery cases ke meningitis cases ke suspected meningitis cases ke measles cases ke all of them are ke chitaw tetom abena man be man wo kunya lego kere lost boy go be jelka na lost boy lego on go ke chol malnutrition go kan your way because ane chinang ke chiam. And I catch the America September 11 clip dolo pano Australia. Go families go ban. Yeah, go families ban a kega katotana. Yen yali je jalban mujede. Yung oda jal kor pinum.